Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level Physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, give yourself a pat on the back. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So, the period of a single pendulum is doubled when the pendulum length is increased by 1.8 meters. What is the original length of the pendulum? Well, first of all, let's have a look at the equation for the time period of a pendulum. And the time period for a pendulum is given by 2 pi multiplied by the length of the pendulum over the gravitational field strength. So that's the equation you're given on your data sheet. I often find it useful in points like this just to get rid of everything that isn't relevant to this question. Well, we're not talking about a change in gravitational field strength. 2 and pi are just numbers. So I can say that the time period is proportional to square root of the length of the pendulum. Or I could say that the length of the pendulum is proportional to the time period squared. So that means if I'm going to double the time period, then I need to increase the length of the pendulum. If I double the time period, I need to increase the length of the pendulum by 4 times. So the original length of the pendulum must be a quarter of the length it is now. Now it's very tempting just to divide 1.8 by 4 at this point and get the answer of 0.45 meters. But that's not correct because it doesn't say the new length of the pendulum is 1.8 meters. It says the length is increased by 1.8 meters. So what I want to do is find an original length that when I increase it by 1.8 meters, it's going to be 4 times that original length. So I can rearrange that equation and I can see that 3 times the original length must equal 1.8 meters, or the original length must be 0.6 meters. Answer B. If you found this video useful, please press the like button. All comments will be welcome, and I hope you'll share and watch more of these videos in the series.